What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel. This is Bowie. And today we're just doing a little bit of a video to update you on what 2021 is going to look like on Queer Girl Straight Skates. So if you don't know, Queer Girl Straight Skates is a roller skating YouTube channel full of roller skating tutorials, reviews, and general roller skating lifestyle content. So if you are trying to learn how to roller skate, or if you've been roller skating forever and you just want a little bit more of that roller skate community in your life, I highly suggest that you subscribe and you click that notification bell for when I post so you can get notified. So tell me, Bowie, what's going on in 2021 on Queer Girl Straight Skates? No, that's what's going on in your life, Bowie. In 2021, Bowie plans on taking more naps, which I don't even know that was possible. But in 2021 for Queer Girl Straight Skates, I'm really excited to talk about just ideas I've had and things that I'm going to do moving forward. So if you've been around for a while, you know that I upload on Tuesdays a new video of some kind, and I will continue to upload on Tuesdays. So there will be a new video at noon every Tuesday, and I'll premiere that video so you can chat with each other and chat with me. And then sometimes I'll put up random extra videos throughout the week, and that's just if I get a wild hair and I'm like really excited to make a video and I make an extra one or I have extra time or something. Also, what I'm going to continue doing, which is something I've been doing since about September-ish, is Skateside Chats, which is on Sundays, I will make a live video and then we'll just stream and chat from around 2 to 2:30 or whatever time I'm available on that Sunday. And I'll just like chat with y'all and answer your questions and all that stuff. So those are the same things that I've been doing on my channel and that I'm going to continue doing going into 2021. The newest addition to things happening in 2021 is that I'm doing the Moxie Skate Daily Challenge. And I know that a lot of you are also doing said challenge or just trying to skate more often, which is a big thing that I'm trying to do moving into 2021 is I just want to be on my skates all the time. Like I want to up my own level and like get stoked on my skates even more than I already am. So once a week, and I haven't picked a specific day because I think it might be fun to just kind of randomly do it throughout the week at one point each week, I am going to do a live skate adventure. Now I know that a lot of you have been asking for this live skate adventure and to have them more often, and so once a week I will take you on my skate adventure wherever I am going. So if you have a specific place that you'd like me to go, and I mean places that are near Long Beach, California, so like places that I can go and wear a mask and skate around, whether it's the beach or a different neighborhood or going to get boba, which I did this last week, I will take you with me. So if you want a specific place, throw it down in the comments and I will add that to my list. Sometimes these adventures will be very, very exciting, and other times it'll just be I'll throw you on a live in my backyard and we'll skate dance together and learn some new stuff together. So those are the new videos coming to my channel. Other than that, I have lots and lots of ideas that you can be really, really stoked for. I'm super stoked for all the ideas. I'm going to continue having guests that are within my COVID circle or who have been quarantining on my channel. So that is happening for YouTube. Moving on to my Etsy shop. I have created a name for my Etsy shop. Finally, yeah, woohoo! And my Etsy shop's name is Cheers to the Queers. So now instead of just looking up like QG Straight Skates, which is very difficult to find on Etsy, you can find me by looking up Cheers to the Queers, and that is the new title of my Etsy shop. Now within my Etsy shop and soon to be website, very, very exciting, I will be doing a new product release once a month for the duration of 2021. I know. So we're gonna have a new product drop the first week of each month. So January, February, March, etc., all the way to December. And they're going to be different products than the ones that I have in the store. And they will be limited release. So I will buy a certain amount. We'll see how they go. And I am stoked about the lineup of different things that I am about to put in my shop starting this week. Yeah. So that's a big update for 2021. A lot of you have requested that Shove be on the channel a little bit more. So I'm going to try and encourage Shove to make more videos or be in more videos with me. So you can be looking forward to that. And of course, also Bowie will be in as many videos as I can possibly force him to be in. So that's what you can look forward to. I am super grateful for all of you for being here. I cannot wait for this year. I think that it is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to see all of you skating and to skate with you. If you want to support me, I have a Patreon. There are a bunch of different tiers for that Patreon, so you can support me and get access to my weekly vlog or the special video that I do once a month just for my Patreons. And you can also do that by joining the YouTube membership as well. Or you could just go to Cheers to the Queers, the Etsy shop, or you can, you know, just like, comment, and subscribe. And I will love you forever and ever and ever. But most importantly, get those skates on and get out there, and cheers to the queers! I've got a